Pandas DataFrame. Replace all values in a column, based on condition. I have a simple data frame like the following. I want to select all values from the first season column and replace those that are over 1990 by 1. In this example, only Baltimore Ravens would have the 1996 replaced by 1, keeping the rest of the data intact. I have used the following. But it replaces all the values in that row by 1, and not just the values in the first season column. How can I replace just the values from that column?
You need to select that column. So the syntax here is you can check the docs and also the 10 minutes to pandas, which shows the semantics. Edit. If you want to generate a Boolean indicator, then you can just use the Boolean condition to generate a Boolean series and cast the dtype to int. This will convert true and false to 1 and 0 respectively.
A bit late to the party, but still, I prefer using NumPyware.
Explanation. df.lock takes two arguments, row index and column index. We are checking if the value is greater than 1990 of each row value under first season column, and then we're replacing it with 1.
Strange that nobody has this answer. The only missing part of your code is the first season, right after df, and just remove your curly brackets inside.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.